Hey, what's up, guys? Pacific Rim Video, and guess what? I am with one of the sexiest females in the Philippines, most definitely. You got your girl, Katrina Lily. Para sa lahat na hindi subscribe watching us, make sure you get GMA Pinoy TV. Katrina, how are you?
Okay lang po.
Okay. Well, oh my, I feel old. I gotta say, I am starstruck. She looks definitely pretty. Wala akong masabi. Talagang, like, my biggest crush. So, you know what? I've been watching Rosalinda lately with everything that's going on. How is that going for you?
Okay naman po, pero meron silang mas dapat pang abangan bukod sa Rosalinda. Sa Darna po, malapit na po nila ako mapanood.
Babalik ba si Katrina sa Darna?
Yun ang ating dapat abangan, kaya dapat mag-subscribe na po yung iba dyan sa Pinay TV.
Oh, I gotta say, so, from the beginning ng career mo, from the beginning till the end, ano mapapayo mo sa mga nag-auditions lately?
Mapapayo ko, siguro magpakatotoo lang and pakita nyo yung talents nyo kasi ang gagaling ng mga nag-audition eh.
What can you say is yung pinaka magandang or napansin mo sa audition?
Napansin ko, ang gagaling talaga ng mga taga-LA. Yun lang yung napansin ko. Very talented sila. Magaling sumaya, kumanta, umarte, lahat sila.
Alam mo, may tanong ako eh. So, you know how na merong Avengers tapos merong usually the top 4? Masasabi mo ba mas magaling ang mga Avengers?
Kayo ang makakapagsabi niyan.
Original Avenger yan si Katrina. So, upcoming, are you gonna be like in LA more often?
LA, sana next year. Basta mag-subscribe po kayo sa Pinoy TV para dalawin ko kayo next year.
But more concerts, make sure to subscribe GMA Pinoy TV. You got Katrina every more, you know, you can request them, email them at GMA. You know, I'm for sure they'll get you. Saka, si Katrina pa. I mean, bibisita. I'm really starstruck. Hindi ko maandar yung utak ko eh. Pero masasabi mo, alam mo, ang dami mong fans with Pacific Rim Video. They always requested you nung GMA Dance Showdown. Tinatanong nila, how is Katrina? How is Katrina? Sabi ko, she was great backstage pero pagod siya or whatever. Pero lahat sa mga fans mo, may masasabi ka?
Thank you po sa support. Thank you po. And yun nga, Pinoy TV, panoorin niyo po kami palagi, mga kapuso.
All right, thank you, Katrina, for like 2 minutes of your time, and I'm still starstruck, and you got me, Jay. I don't even know my name. Jay, Pacific Rim Video, subscribe, GMA Pinoy TV, one and only, sexiest girl in the world. Vote, 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 vote. All right, bye.